Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clear audio track and either generating or uploading a transcript so you can align words to timecodes. Open your editing or subtitle tool and import the video, then import or auto-create the transcript. Make sure language and timecode preferences match your target platform. Once done, perform a quick pass to remove filler words and fix obvious misheard phrases so the next alignment step is faster and more accurate. Now align the text to the timeline and refine timings. Use auto-alignment, then scrub through video, correcting staggered entries and overlapping tags. Break lines where people naturally pause and ensure subtitles don't block important visuals. Adjust each caption's duration so viewers can read comfortably. Short utterances get shorter durations. Also check speaker labeling and punctuation for clarity. Once you finish editing, run a playback to confirm sync and readability on different screen sizes. Finish by exporting the subtitle file in the format your platform requires or burning subtitles into the video if needed. Choose UTF-8 encoding to prevent character glitches and test the exported file on the intended device. If captions appear out of sync, try shifting the entire subtitle track by a consistent offset or rerun alignment on the segment causing trouble. One tip: inconsistent frame rates often cause drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.